But you have an independent company who owns that company to be collecting supposedly collecting the internally generated revenue from my state. It grosses around 50 billion, 40, 50 billion a month. You know how much that company is paid? 15% of it. Let's mathematically say it's 50 billion a month. 15% of that is 7.5 billion in 30 days going to a company. That is a leakage. That is sacrilegious. So you can have your savings from that. Now, this toll gate has been going on now. You know how much they gross averagely a day and in a year? That would have paid off for that for that road, whatever it is. Now it is there. It is, in fact, what I am proposing is that we should now, once the report of the panel is given, and it must not be in secret. Let's hear them. Let's listen to the report. After that, those who die there, I would, with my friends, make sure we have a permanent monument in memory of those people that died there, because they were exercising their civilized entitlement to make sure that these people who are collecting all these fees were just pocketing them. Look at the former governor of Lagos State. He has 3 executive jets, private jets. The other one with 900X can fly from Lagos to New York. Where is his business? What business does he do? Look at the amount of money they pay each governor at the end of every year as pension. Pension for what? I served in the military. You know how much my pension is? You know how much I take home after 25 years of military service? 400,000 naira a month. If you go to Abuja 2 or 3 times, that's the end of it. I retired also as a general. But why are you paying them that humongous amount of money? These are the leakages in the system.
What has MC Oluomo, whom you just mentioned, or his sidekick, Kunle Poli, what have they got to do with the politics of Lagos? That's okay. The clarification I will need from you.
I will be too happy to answer you, Ruben.
Yes.
Where is, traditionally, those who are appointed as geologists would have had a track record of trading in Lagos. Why his daughter, who never had a single kiosk in Lagos, who appointed her? Where was her market? Which market experience does she have? That's one. We knew what happened, they manipulated it. Secondly, it has nothing to do with a personal thing. It's an observation. And if I am wrong, let him come out and tell me that yes, she was duly appointed or elected because she has a stall at Baja, or has a stall at Isaleko, or has a stall in mainland. Where is her stall? Where is her stall? Now, the young man, the other boy, his son, Sheyi, he controls the whole signage for Lagos. Everybody who wants to put up an advert on any signboard, you go to his company alone. Is that justifiable? Does that make any sense? And you think people will not know? I shake will see now. Come over to your studio here across. The first shopping mall, which was a pride to all of us in Lagos State, was constructed by Brigadier Bola Johnson during his tenure. They demolished it. You know what is there now? Seyi Tinibu is keeping his horses. His horses. Private, personal horses there. Where is that pride? Where's our heritage gone? Look at the local government secretariat, Ikoyi Obalende Secretariat, that had been in existence since the British were here. Go and see now the junction of Glover and Kingsway, what they have turned it into. Who bought it? Who has the building there? Go to the end of your road here, on Awolowo Road, near the police mess, the nursing hostel. Mrs. Von Richards will be turning in her grave now. These were things that General Mobolaji Johnson contributed and built as a heritage. This was the only nursing hostel for training of nurses in Lagos State. Since they had driven those children away from there, we don't train nurses anymore in Lagos State. You mean the public health has no bearing? It is too much. Otoge.